So question number 71 says that the number of ways to place 11 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes so that any 2 boxes together will contain more balls than the other one. See, this condition will be satisfied if the boxes contain either 0 ball, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 balls. It cannot contain 6 balls. If any one of them contains 6 balls, then it will contain more balls than the other 2, which is not required. It can have either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5, right? So we can say the number of ways will be equal to finding the coefficient of x raised to the power 11 in x raised to the power 0 plus x raised to the power 1 and so on up to x raised to the power 5 whole cube, right? So this is equal to, let us solve this further. This is a GP of 6 terms. So that is whole cube, that is 1 minus x6 whole cube into 1 minus x whole raised to the power minus 3. Now expanding this 1 minus 3 x6, not writing next terms for the sake of simplicity because that is not required. X raised to the power 12 is not required, right? Into 1 plus 3x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3x cube and so on. Now we need coefficient of x raised to the power 11. So if we take 1 here, so we need here coefficient of x raised to the power 11 and that is 13c11. Now minus 3 into x raised to the power 6 we get from here. Now we need coefficient of x raised to the power 5 and that will be 7c5, right? Now this is equal to 13 into 12 divided by 2 minus 3 into 7 into 6 divided by 2. So this is equal to, taking 3 common, we have 26 minus 21. So this is equal to 15. So answer is 15. Next is question number 72, which says if the eccentricity of the ellipse be 1 by root 6, then distance between directrices of the ellipse is. See, here we can be seen that value of lambda square plus 2 is definitely greater than lambda square plus 1. So the ellipse is of this type. So we can say eccentricity will be equal to square root of 1 minus a square upon b square, that is lambda square plus 1 divided by lambda square plus 2, which is equal to square root of 1 divided by lambda square plus 2. So this is equal to 1 by root 6, which means lambda square plus 2 is equal to 6, that is lambda square is equal to 4. So the value of lambda is equal to plus minus 2. Now we have to find the distance between directrices and that will be 2b upon e. So this is equal to 2 into b. b is equal to square root of lambda square plus 2 whole divided by e, that is 1 by root 6. So this is equal to 12. So 12 is our final answer. Next is question number 73, which says if the distance of any point P, that is x comma y, from the point Q, that is alpha comma beta, is given by distance between P comma Q is equal to maximum of mod x minus alpha comma mod y minus beta. If Q is fixed point 1 comma 2 and distance between P comma Q is 3, then locus of P is a quadrilateral of area in square units equal to. See, we are given over here this equation and we are given that distance between P comma Q is 3. So we are given that 3 is equal to maximum of mod x minus alpha comma beta is the coordinate of Q and that is given to us as 1 comma 2, which means alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 2. So let's put it here. Mod of x minus 1 comma mod of y minus 2. Its maximum value is given to be equal to 3. So we have two cases here. Case 1, if mod of x minus 1 is equal to 3, then mod y minus 2 is less than equal to 3. Similarly, case 2, if mod of y minus 2 is equal to 3, then we have mod of x minus 1 is less than equal to 3, right? So let's solve this. Now mod x minus 1 equal to 3, it means x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 3, that is x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. And from the second equation we get y minus 2 will belong from minus 3 to 3. So y will belong from minus 1 to 5, right? So we have these two solutions from here. Now case 2, it says x minus 1 will belong from minus 3 to 3, that is x will belong from minus 2 to 4. Also mod y minus 2 is equal to 3, that is y minus 2 is equal to plus minus 3. So y is equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 1. So the solutions that we get from here is these. Now we have to plot this in the coordinate axis. Now let's plot the lines x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2. So this is x equal to minus 2 and this is x equal to 4. Similarly y equal to minus 1 and y equal to 5. Let's write it down. This is y equal to 5 and this is y equal to minus 1 and this is x equal to minus 2 and this is x equal to 4. So the required locus is this one, that is a rectangle. So we have to find the area of this rectangle. Area will be equal to 4 plus 2, that is 6, into 5 plus 1, that is 6. So area is equal to 36. So our final answer is 36. Next is question number 74, which says consider the function fx equal to mod sin x minus cos x. So we have to find the value of 4 times f dash 3 by 4 by whole square. For x equal to 3 by 4 by, we know the value of cos x is negative and value of sin x is positive. So mod will open as sin x minus cos x only, right? So let's find f dash x. So this is equal to cos x plus sin x. So value of f dash 3 by 4 pi will be equal to cos 3 by 4 pi plus sin 3 by 4 pi. Now this is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is equal to 0. So the required answer is 0. Next is question number 75, which says the standard deviation of 20 observations taken from mean 60 is 6. The coefficient of variation is equal to. Very easy question. We know the direct formula. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100. So this is equal to standard deviation is given to be 6 divided by x bar, that is mean 60 into 100. So this is equal to 10. So the required answer is 10. I hope all the questions are understood to you. Thanks for watching.